Welcome to Acele. In this video, we will show you how to send a sequence message or drip messaging on WhatsApp by using Acele. Once the live conversation between the bot and user finishes, the sequence allows scheduling messages in a series. We can set several sequence messages to run hourly or daily. Let's see how to set up a sequence message on WhatsApp. We'll build a bot and insert a sequence. To create a bot for WhatsApp, go to WhatsApp Bot Manager from the left navigation menu, then select the WhatsApp bot account and click on the bot reply. From here click on the Create button, and it will redirect you to the Visual Flow Builder. To create the bot, double-click on the Start Bot Flow. To give the bot a name and trigger keywords, now give the bot name and add your keywords separated by commas. We can use exact match keyword or string match. Here we are using an exact keyword match. So now whenever a user sends a message with any of the keywords in it, this bot will be triggered. Let's add a text reply and connect it. Double-click on the text element to configure it. Enter your text reply here. We can specify a delay for the reply. You can also insert an element by dragging the cursor from the next socket and then leaving it to see the available options. Let's add an interactive reply this time. Double-click on it to configure in the interactive element. You can use a header. There are two types of headers, namely text and image. The header is not mandatory here. Let's add a header image and write the message, then just click on the Save button to save it. Now, let's add two buttons with the interactive element. Now, double-click on the button, give a name to the button and select the button type. Let's select button type to send message. Now, let's select the text message by dragging the cursor from the next socket and enter the text. Now, do the same for the other button. Now, we have an option to add a sequence with this button. If we add a sequence on this button and the user hits the button, they will be assigned to the sequence message. Let's add a sequence. When we add the sequence, default there are 3 sequence messages. You can add more or remove any if you want. Now, double-click on the new sequence and give it a name. You can select the times to specify the time of day for sending the sequence message, then select the time zone and hit the Save button to save it. Now, double-click on the sequence single item. There are 2 options for hourly messages, select 24 hours, and for daily messages select daily. Next, choose the time frame. If you choose 30 minutes, then the first sequence will be delivered in 30 minutes after the live chat session has ended. Now, let's select text message to send a text message after 30 minutes, and add the text. In the other single sequence, let's select daily. For the daily sequence, we must use a message template because WhatsApp allows only message templates if we want to send a message after the 24-hour message window. Now select a message template, then select the day on which you want to send this message. Let's select day 2 and hit the Save button to save it. So, when a user visits the spot and clicks on the designated button for the sequence, then the sequence will be allocated to the user and scheduled messages will be sent accordingly. So, the sequence message gives you the ability to schedule a sequence message to be dispatched several hours for days after the conversation. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.